The Public Health Agency of Canada proudly presents Coughing, Sneezing, and You. Every time a person coughs or sneezes, millions of disease-causing germs are launched into the air. Polite people cover their mouths, but using your hands can spread germs to other people. Until recently, the best advice was to use the inside of your elbow. Germs get trapped in the fabric and die. But we now know that even these precautionary measures aren't always sufficient to prevent contamination. That's why your best bet is to sneeze into the back of your knee. Here, people are far less likely to come into contact with your germs. Can't reach? Then use the back of someone else's knee. They'll be glad you did. By following these simple steps, we can all help make the world a healthier place to live. This has been a presentation of the Public Health Agency of Canada.